Like where the mental health stuff is. Okay.
All right, recording the sewer line here at
Perfect.
904 9th Ave West.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You want to ask, go ahead. But I'm, so we're at, is this 8th or 9th?
This is 8th Avenue West.
904 8th Ave West. Dates February 16th, 2021. Making this recording from the clean out here, just outside the home, on the north side of the home. 42 feet out right there. We're coming back into 6-inch diameter clay pipe, excuse me. So this is a clay pipe. You can see where the roots used to be.
Yeah.
We used to have a ton of roots down this whole line, but cleaned it out. Coming back here.
So how far out did you go? 42 feet?
42 feet, so right to the end of the right to the end of your pipe. So
Okay.
coming back, this is all 6-inch diameter pipe. You can see at almost each of these bells there was root intrusion coming in, which is what partially caused us to be out here. Coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe there, so 6-inch diameter. Coming back into 4-inch there, and you can see we've got some breaking there on the bottom of the 4-inch.
So is that where this one came in?
Nope,
Or
that one comes in.
Okay, so how far out is that broken?
Came in right there is where that used to come in. See that pipe there?
Oh, okay.
That's the old elbow, and that was like right here.
Okay.
The next piece, that broken piece, is probably somewhere right in here.
But none of it's jutting up where it's going to get like toilet paper and stuff.
Not at the moment, but there, so 12, 13 feet or so, that's the end of the plastic here. And then we come up out of the clean out.
All right.
So I'm gonna end the video there.